when like there's a saying like if somebody's an overeducated person, overeducated, like underintelligent, that's what these systems look like. They're just overly manufactured, if you will. There's another word for it. There's just too much shit going on, bro. Whatever happened to a fan, a capacitor, contactor, RGWY, common. I mean, I understand variable speeds and shit, but this shit's just made to fail, bro. All new equipment. There's no supply chain issue here. But this is not endorsed by any party politically. Just letting you know. We didn't have a problem getting these rooftops. 2022 Carrier. Sorry to get you dizzy. We're going to go through some operations, just make sure they're running right. All right, so you're going to write down 9/16 by 25 by 2. Making the pizza. Smoke duct. This guy's hot inside, man. I had my phone in my pocket, and I was standing here in front of the exhaust, and then I pulled my phone out just now. There was moisture all over it, just from condensation. Oh no, the mistletoe. Do 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 do. No good. Plays for faults, for shorts on these carriers. That'll be a source of shorting, I'm sure. Check out everything HVAC are. He's like the man at finding them. But that's seems like it's gonna be a problem in a couple of years. This one, pull the panel off. You know when like there's a saying like if somebody's an overeducated person, overeducated, like underintelligent, that's what these systems look like. They're just overly manufactured, if you will. There's another word for it. There's just too much shit going on, bro. Whatever happened to a fan, a capacitor, contactor RGWY coming. I mean, I understand variable speeds and shit, but this shit's just made to fail, bro. Thanks for watching. Just thought I'd make a quick video. Some new systems we put in. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.